Welcome friends, in this video we will learn how to create a PowerPoint presentation. First of all, open MS Office by clicking on Start like this. And then we are selecting MS Office PowerPoint 2007 like this. Now we can see a page here having no text. These are called slides of the PowerPoint. Also, we can add number of pages here by clicking on new slide like this. But the first slide as well as the other slides are not blank. And I am using blank slides for creating my desired text boxes. These default boxes are called text boxes. Whatever we write using text boxes in PowerPoint. Here we need text boxes as per our own choice, so we can select layout. Then a small window opens like this. Here many layouts are there, but we have to select blank layout, then draw text boxes using text box button. Then I am writing types here. Now we can adjust it. We can adjust now or later. Then I am selecting another text box and writing off like this. Then another text box, drawing another text box and writing flowers in this box. Then changing its alignment by adjusting and changing its font style size by clicking on its border like this. Then changing its color. By using this tab, I am changing its color, this button. First clicking on types and then selecting color of my own choice. Similarly, I am repeating this process for others. Then we can see here that a colorful page is created having text, colorful text. We can see here that background is of white color and we need colorful background. Then by selecting design tab, we can see many styles are there and we can apply like this, but I need background color of my own choice, so we are selecting background styles we can select as per our own choice, or we can use any image as background here. Then we can format our background here: solid fill, gradient fill, thirdly picture or texture fill is written, and we are selecting third one, that is picture or texture fill. To add picture, we click on file, that is insert from file a picture, and then add picture of our own choice. Then there is a folder named types of roses. Then please do not select apply to all, because we are not applying this image to all slides, but I am changing it to color as per my own choice. Thank you.